Hello everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Xbox Series X. Now, I did do a video of me unboxing the Xbox Series S, the Rocket League and Fortnite bundle. If you would like to see that, I will post a link in the description or the information icon. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So this is the front of the So this is the back of the box, Power Your Dreams, Xbox logo. The fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. Redefine speed with the Xbox. All City Culture. Play 1,000 game series. 4 generations of Xbox. Unlimited access to 100 plus high quality games. Membership sold separately. So this is the back of the box. So let's go ahead and open it. So got the pamphlet right here. Just the additional support and everything it comes with. That's to the side. And here it is. I am super excited. Oh my goodness, this is it. Let me take out the box real quick. So you got the Xbox right here. And I'm sure the cables and the controllers in here. So we're going to go ahead and set this to the side. And we're going to open up this now. Alright, so we got the controller and the power cables in here. Gonna get those out. This is the power cable. Oh no, my bad, HDMI cable. Here's the power cable. In a moment, we've been waiting for too. The controller. We're going to take this out of the package. Nice. And we got your batteries in here as well, AA batteries. And the moment we've been waiting for is the Xbox. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Alright, so this is everything side by side, and thank you so much for watching, and bye everyone.